Hello and welcome. I'm Jennifer Hope. I'm licensed as a professional counselor and a certified alcohol and drug counselor. I'm also the clinical director at Atlanta Family Counseling. At Atlanta Family Counseling, we strive to provide quality care to all our clients and give them an opportunity to flourish and thrive and live well. We've been receiving a lot of questions regarding anxiety, and I would like to take the time to address these questions for clarity, understanding, and overall health. Some of the questions, the first one was, what is anxiety and does counseling help with that? Some other things we'll talk about is what is the best way to cope with anxiety? Does anxiety go away? And what are the best ways to recognize anxiety? So going back to the first question about anxiety and why counseling is helpful for that. Anxiety comes from a place of feeling overwhelmed. So people will feel like things are out of control. They may have racing thoughts. You may feel some physiological symptoms first. You may feel your heart rate go up. You might have sweaty palms, stomach aches. There are a lot of things that can indicate anxiety, not only in adults and in children. People having fears about going out are some of them. Having compulsions or other things to make them feel better, such as counting or things like that, will always kind of require people to feel better by doing those things. And there's a lot of ways that people cope with anxiety. We do a lot of deep breathing exercises with our clients. So you just want to start with taking a deep breath all the way in and then all the way out. Just really being able to do that 5 or 6 times to create an environment for ourselves that reduces the anxiety. So when we're able to breathe properly, our brain can get the oxygen that it needs to think clearly. A lot of our anxious thoughts are irrational. And so when those come up, it's really hard to address. It does go away when treated properly, and that's not always with medication. That can be through talk therapy. It can be through cognitive behavioral therapy. There are a lot of different measures in which to treat anxiety. So there is hope that being able to recognize and cope with it really does help. Well, thank you for your time, and we definitely will have more questions that will get answered. So thanks, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.